To set up Klarna Pay Now, start by creating a Klarna merchant account on the Klarna website. This will require you to provide basic business information, such as your business name, address, and tax identification number. Once your account is created, you will receive a unique merchant ID and API keys, which you will use to integrate Klarna Pay Now into your online store. Next, you will need to install the Klarna plugin or module for your e-commerce platform. This will typically involve downloading and installing the plugin, and then configuring the settings to connect to your Klarna merchant account. The specific steps for this will vary depending on your e-commerce platform, so be sure to refer to the platform's documentation for more information. After the plugin is installed, you will need to configure the payment method settings in your online store. This will involve specifying the payment methods you want to offer, such as credit card or bank transfer, and setting the payment terms, such as the payment due date. You will also need to customize the payment page to match your brand and provide a seamless checkout experience for your customers. To test the integration, create a test order in your online store and go through the checkout process as a customer would. This will allow you to verify that the payment method is working correctly and that the payment page is displaying as expected. Once you have completed the test, you can activate the payment method and start accepting payments from your customers. Best practices for setting up Klarna Pay Now include ensuring that your online store is secure and compliant with relevant payment industry standards, such as PCI DSS. You should also clearly disclose the payment terms and conditions to your customers, including any fees or interest charges associated with the payment method. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a convenient and secure payment option for your customers and help to increase sales and customer satisfaction.